Welcome students once again. Let's start your second last story from your literature book Footprints Without Feet. The title of this story is Bholi. This is an interesting story written by an Indian author K.A. Abbas. तो बच्चों आपकी सेकेंड लास्ट स्टोरी लिटरेचर बुक से शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ भोली, जिसे K.A. अब्बास ने लिखा है. This story has a theme that physically handicapped and mentally retarded people need our love and affection. If we provide them love and affection and courage, then they can lead a life of a normal human being. तो ये स्टोरी हमें संदेश देती है कि जो शारीरिक और मानसिक तौर पर अपंग लोग होते हैं, अगर उन्हें प्यार और स्नेह के साथ ट्रीट किया जाए तो वो भी एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह से अपना जीवन यापन कर सकते हैं. दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट ए गर्ल नेम्ड सुलेखा हु वॉज निक नेम्ड फॉर भोली. तो ये स्टोरी एक सुलेखा नाम की लड़की के बारे में है जिसका जो नाम है वो भोली था. सिंस हर चाइल्डहुड एवरीवन हैड बीन कॉलिंग हर भोली दी सिंपल्टन. और बचपन से सब लोग उस लड़की को भोली या सिंपल्टन कह करके पुकारते थे. एक्चुअली भोली वॉज फोर्थ डॉटर ऑफ नंबरदार रामलाल. भोली अपने पिता की चौथी बेटी थी. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the coat on her head and perhaps it has damaged some part of her brain. जब भोली है वो 10 मंथ की थी तो वो चारपाई से गिर जाती है और उसके दिमाग पर थोड़ी चोट लगती है, जिस कारण से उसके दिमाग का एक हिस्सा है वो डैमेज हो जाता है. एंड ड्यू टू दिस शी रिमेन्ड ए बैकवर्ड चाइल्ड एंड केम टू बी नोन एज भोली दी सिंपल्टन. और इसी कारण से वो एक पिछड़ा हुआ बच्चा बन के रह जाती है. एट बर्थ भोली वॉज वेरी प्रेटी एंड फेयर, बट वेन शी वॉज 2 years old she had a severe attack of smallpox and her entire body was disfigured by a black pox mass. जब वो 2 साल की थी तो उसको स्मॉल पॉक्स आया और वो बहुत ज़्यादा आया कि केवल आंखें ही बची. ओके, उसका शरीर के ऊपर और पर्टिकुलरली फेस के ऊपर काले रंग के दानों के दाग है वो आ जाते हैं. ड्यू टू दिस शी कुड नॉट स्पीक. ओके, एंड वाइल स्पीकिंग शी स्टैमर्ड ए लॉट एंड पीपल मेड ए फन ऑफ हर. ओके, बिकॉज शी स्टैमर्ड, she could not talk fluently. Ramlal had 7 children, 4 daughters and 3 sons. His sons went to college for their higher education, but his daughters were not sent to school. Okay, the name of his eldest daughter was Radha, then Mangala, okay, then Champa, and last was Bholi. Okay, Bholi had actually neither good looks nor intelligence, and Ramlal was worried about Bholi because she was not given any love and care in her home. Okay, then one day the Tahsildar came to Ramlal's village, as Ramlal was Nambardar of that village. Okay, he ordered Ramlal to admit children from his village in the village primary school inaugurated by him. Then Ramlal wanted to admit Bholi in this primary school because he was of the opinion that Bholi with her little intelligence and ugly face would not be able to get married off. Okay, he caught Bholi by her arm, okay, and took her to school. Okay, Bholi initially denied. She was not ready to go to school because she thought that perhaps she was going to be sold off like their cow. Lakshmi was sold in the market a few days ago. शुरू में भोली स्कूल जाने से मना कर देती है क्योंकि जब रामलाल उसको उसकी बाजू से पकड़ करके स्कूल ले जा रहा होता है तो उसने सोचा कि शायद उसको उनकी गाय लक्ष्मी की तरह से मार्केट के अंदर बेचने के लिए ले जाया जा रहा है. बट इवन देन बाय फोर्स रामलाल टुक भोली टू स्कूल. इन द क्लास a number of children were sitting. They were all reading and writing. The class teacher was there present in that class. She was very loving and caring person. Bholi looked on the walls of the classroom. She was fascinated by different colorful pictures made on the walls of the classroom. She saw the pictures like dog, cat, horse, cow, mango, parrot, and everything. Okay, these things she used to see in her neighborhood. Moreover, the voice of the teacher was very soothing and full of love. Okay, the teacher was very kind by nature. Okay, she asked Bholi her name. भोली कुड नॉट प्रनाउंस हर नेम. टीचर की आवाज़ बड़ी ही मधुर थी, मीठी थी. उसने भोली से अपना नाम पूछा. भोली अपना नाम भी नहीं बताती है और वो हकलाती है. बट टीचर gave her confidence. In the end, Bholi was able to pronounce her name. Teacher gave Bholi a book for writing. Okay, and she told Bholi if she would come to school every day, then she would be able to speak without any slightest stammer in her speech. In this way, Bholi got some confidence from her teacher. Bholi के अंदर भी आत्मविश्वास आता है. Okay, and she started coming to school every day, and she was learning something or the other every day. Okay, in this way, time passed. Okay, moreover, her teacher told Bholi to keep it a secret from her family members that she was able to speak without any stammering in her speech. और समय बीत जाता है और भोली की अध्यापिका ने उसको बताया कि वो बिना हकलाए बोल सकती है. ये चीज़ उसने अपने परिवार वालों से भी सीक्रेट रखनी है. देन भोली ग्रू अप. ओके, मीनवाइल रामलाल and his wife settled Bholi's marriage with a well-known grocer of their area, Bishambarnath. Actually, Bishambarnath was twice of the age of Bholi. Okay, or Sulekha. Bholi's parents accepted this marriage proposal because Bishambarnath had several thousand amount in the banks. Okay, moreover, he belonged to some other village. He didn't know anything about Bholi's black deep pock marks on her face. Okay, moreover, he was not asking for any dowry. Okay, and he had his own shop, own house. Okay, then day of their marriage came. Bishambarnath came with a party of friends. Okay, then the time of garlanding the bridegroom came. Okay, veil was lifted from Bholi's face. ठीक है, विशंबरनाथ के साथ शादी तय हो जाती है. विशंबरनाथ एक अच्छी खासी बारात लेके आता है और जब भोली के चेहरे से घूंघट को उठाया जाता है, देन विशंबरनाथ did not allow Bholi to garland him. Okay, he denied marrying Bholi and he told Bholi's father Ramlal that he would go without marrying Bholi. Okay, actually Bishambarnath was a greedy person and he had played a game and he had won it. Okay, so he demanded rupee 5,000 from Ramlal as a compensation for Bholi's ugly look. Okay, Bholi's father had no money. Okay, he placed his turban at the feet of Bishambarnath and requested him to marry, okay, marry Bholi, because he was of the opinion that if Bishambarnath Bharat will go back without marrying Bholi, he would not be able to show his face in the village. Okay, but Bholi initially had accepted this marriage proposal because of the ijjat of her father and her family members. Okay, now when this thing happened, okay, a number of relatives were there, but Bholi refused to marry Bishambarnath because he was demanding 5,000 okay amount as a bribe. Okay, Bholi was not ready to marry this dowry seeker Bishambarnath. She threw away the garland in the fire, okay, sacred fire. Okay, meanwhile, all the relatives that had gathered in this marriage, they were surprised to see that Sulekha was speaking slightest stammering in her speech. She was speaking fluently. Okay, meanwhile teacher was also looking at the drama that was going to happen there. Okay, she announced that Bholi can speak with slightest stammer in her voice, and she also declared that thereafter henceforth she would serve in the same primary school as a teacher. And Bholi also announced that she would not marry any person in her life, and she would serve her parents in their old age. तो स्टूडेंट, अंत में भोली ये कहती है कि वो किसी से भी शादी नहीं करेगी, बिशंबर से उसकी शादी होती नहीं है, और वो कहती है कि वो स्कूल के अंदर, उसी स्कूल के अंदर पढ़ाएगी और अपने माता पिता की उनकी बड़ी आयु के अंदर, बूढ़ी आयु के अंदर सेवा करेगी. तो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज योर स्टोरी भोली. I have explained you, I have given a brief introduction of this story. In the next videos, I shall explain you this story word by word, line by line. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a nice day.